everybody. Today I'm really excited to explain the topic called recursion. Recursion is a powerful technique to solve problems, and trust me, it's a really amazing one. So when you talk to people, they usually have a definition of recursion going as recursion is a part of program which calls itself. I think that definition is a little vague and really wouldn't suffice to a 5-year-old kid. So I want to take the help of a picture to explain this concept. So now look at this picture really closely. What you would observe here is we have a monkey magician who opens his hat to discover another monkey magician who opens his hat to discover another magician. And then lastly, there we have it, the last magician. So recursion is exactly the same. Here we have a problem which depends on exact same problem but of smaller size, which in turn depends on exact same problem but of smaller size until there is a stopping point, right? So before understanding recursion, let us take the help of an example which uses another technique. So here we have 5 people and each person has a bag with certain number of coins in it. Now Jessica is given the task to calculate what is the total number of coins. So if everybody starts crowding around Jessica and yelling out, I have 3 coins, I have 2 coins, I have 1 coin, she would get really confused. So as a civilized human being, she asks each of them to stand in a line. Now she decides to follow the order. She goes to the first person in line and asks, hey, how many coins do you have? Person A says, I have 3 coins. Then she goes to the person B and asks, how many coins do you have? The person B says, I have 1 coin. Then she goes to person C. Person C says, I have 2 coins. Then to D. He says, I have 1 coin. Then to E. She says, 2 coins. Now she observed that person E is the last in the line. Then she stops. And now she calculates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total becomes 9. So this technique is a way to calculate the sum of numbers in this case. But can we use another technique? So let us consider another case wherein Jessica is asked to count the number of coins again. But this time she is really lazy and she does not want to go to each person and ask how many coins do they have. So what she does, she uses teamwork. Now let us see how can we use the teamwork. So person A, Jessica asks person A, hey, could you please count the number of coins for me? Person A thinks for a while and says, I have 3 coins and let me just ask with the rest of the people how many coins do they have. So person A is using teamwork. Now person A asks person B, hey, could you please count the number of coins for me? Person B says, I have 1 coin and let me just ask the rest of the people how many coins do they have. Person B again asks person C, hey, could you please count the number of coins for me? You see, all of them are lazy people and they repeat the same thing. So then person C asks person D, could you please count the number of coins for me? Person D then asks person E, hey, could you please count the number of coins for me? Until it comes to person E. So person E says, I have 2 coins and let me just ask with the rest of the people. But now there are more people left. So person E says, I am the last person and I have 2 coins. So person D observes this. Person D says, hey, the number of coins with the rest of the team is just 2. And now I have 1 coin. So both of us together have 3 coins, 2 and 3. Then person C says the number of coins with the rest of the people is 3 and I have 2 coins. So with C, D, E, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Then person C tells person B the team together has 5 coins. Person B has 1 coin. So in total, the team B, C, D, E has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins. Then person B says the total team has 6 coins and then the person A says, I have 3 coins and the team has 6 coins. So the person A tells Jessica, there are 6 coins with the team and I have 3 coins. So Jessica counts the number of coins and it turns out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So if you observe closely, the person A, what he decides is that he himself has 3 coins and he asks the rest of the team how many coins do they have, so that he can add his number of coins with the rest of the team and he can get the total number of coins. So if you remember the picture, here we had a big problem which was dependent on a small exact problem but of smaller size, and then small problem, smaller problem. So you all have to do is remember this: a monkey inside a monkey inside a monkey, until we get the last monkey. So to recap, what exactly is recursion? It is a powerful technique which is used for problems which are dependent on exact same problem but of small size until we reach the stopping point. So how do we use recursion? Using teamwork. Sometimes you need to do your own work, such as counting the number of coins do we have, but the rest of the work is done by the team. And why do we use recursion? Because sometimes the first technique is very long and sometimes it's not even applicable. So that is it about recursion. All you have to do is remember these monkeys. Thank you.